Today I'm going to show you how that you can save your carrot seeds and replant them. These were from a year ago, and I will show you a close-up how they look. This little pod here probably has 700 to 800 seeds on it, so it's very cost-effective, and you just have to have a heirloom seed so that you can replant them. This is what the carrot pod looks like. And like I said, it's probably 700 to 800 little carrot seeds on this. And these are the ones that we saved from last year. My garden here, and as you can see, I'm saving seeds this year. I hadn't planned on it, but we left some that we cover in hay at the end of the year. And we just didn't use all of the carrots over the winter. So as you can see, each one of these little pods here are going to be hundreds of carrots. And you'll just let these dry completely and snip them off, and you have your seeds for next year. As you can see, I've got a lot here. These have been fallen down from the sprinkler, but there are thousands here. And we've already gave thousands away last year to the community, so there's enough to share with everyone. Here is the carrots that we planted this year from those seeds, and these will be the ones we eat. And the ones I'm planting will be the ones that we cover and keep for winter crops so that we can harvest them during the winter and have fresh carrots. They're just starting, see, they're a little bitty still. Be a little while before we harvest, but the seeds, as you can see, they work great, and these were from a year ago. What I'm going to do is get my garden spot ready. This is where the carrots end here that we will be eating this summer, and this is where I am going to plant my carrots for the winter harvest. And I know there's a few weeds, but I've come to realize you can still grow a good garden even with weeds in it. And if you have time to have a perfectly manicured garden, that's great, but if you don't let it stop you. Just carry on, and you can still grow vegetables and have a good productive garden. So I'm going to just clear this off here, and then I'm going to put the seeds right into the ground. Now I'm going to just take and I'm going to knock all of these little seeds off. All of the little seeds are off, and they are now in the bottom. And I have plenty to plant my row of carrots now. So for planting, I don't want to plant them too close because I want to have enough room for the carrots to grow and become larger carrots. So I'm just going to sprinkle them on here. Making sure I have some in all of the areas. And this is how you do it. And I'll just continue this the whole way down my row. I'm just going to take a couple little stakes here, put them in because I don't want anyone to walk on it, and it's hard to tell that something's planted there. Then to finish it off, I'm just going to take dirt off of the edge, and I'm going to put about 1/4 inch thick over the top of these seeds. Gotten the whole patch covered up with fresh dirt, I like to take my rake and just, this helps to go ahead and pack the earth down a little bit where your seeds don't blow away once the dirt dries out, and just finishes it off. Now if you would like to watch my harvesting come fall, as well as how I'm going to use the old hay to winterize the carrots where we can pull carrots even when there is snow on the ground, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along.